3D Molecular Designs is happy to introduce our improved Amino Acid Starter Kit, now with modeling ties. Modeling ties are replacing mini tubers, which are no longer being manufactured. Your students will be able to model all the same activities, just with better success. First, your students will find patterns within the side chains and will organize them into their chemical properties. They will then construct a 15 amino acid polypeptide by placing the side chains in a random order on the modeling tie, and then fold it into a 3D structure based on the chemical properties of the amino acids. Your students will discover that everyone has a different structure because they all use different sequences. Additional activities have students folding specific proteins, exploring secondary structure, active sites, and the impact of mutations on proteins. We worked with Nite to customize their gear ties into a superior modeling tool. These new features include increased durability. The rubber exterior does not compress or tear. We have integrated red and blue end caps to indicate directionality. The stronger wire holds modeled shapes. No support posts needed. The consistent gray color on the backbone represents the alpha carbon backbone of proteins. In addition, this allows students to focus on the chemical properties of the amino acids. We also improve the clips so that they grip the modeling tie and don't fall off. In addition, we improved the bumpers on the side chain property circle. The old version didn't always stick. Our new foam bumpers have superior adhesion, and they won't stretch out the clips. Amino acid starter kits now contain the upgraded modeling tie, the chemical properties circle with bumpers, the 22 amino acids with their upgraded clips, all for the same great price. The sidechain chart is available as a free download, but you can also purchase laminated classroom sets for $30. The support posts are no longer necessary, but they can be purchased separately as well. If you have a previous version of the kit, you can upgrade it to the new version for $35 each. You will need to take the side chains off your old kit and attach them to the upgraded clips so that you can use them with both the circle and the modeling tie. Individual modeling ties are also available for purchase. From all of us at 3D Molecular Designs, happy modeling.